Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book and open chapter 11, that is given in page number 89. And the name of chapter is Festivals and Celebrations. In previous classes, we already discussed what is festival, what is national festival, and religious festival. So, let us recall it. Festivals are the celebration of special occasion. It is celebrated in every country. And you know, India is a land of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in different parts of our country. Now, let us recall about national festivals. The national festivals of our country are some great moments of the country. So, some national festivals of our country are Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January of every year. Independence Day. It is celebrated on the 15th of August every year. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd of October every year. And it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Now, next one is religious festivals. People celebrate religious festivals with their family, relatives, friends, and they decorate their houses, cook and eat special food, and wear new clothes. Some of the religious festivals of our country are Diwali. And Diwali is the festival of light. Dasahra. This is the festival that marks the victory of good over evil. Guru Purab. The birthdays of the Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Purab. Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th of December every year. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. And people decorate Christmas trees on this day and go to the church to pray. And it is believed that Santa Claus brings gifts for children on this day. Eid. On Eid, people wear new clothes and visit mosques to say prayers. They hug each other and wish Eid Mubarak. There are some other celebrations. Throughout the year, we have other celebrations as well. All such celebrations are about joy, laughter, and spending good time with family members, relatives, and friends. So, birthday. This is a special day for each one of us. We were born on this day. We celebrate the birthdays of all our family members and friends. Next one is wedding. Weddings are big family occasion. These special days are celebrated along with the whole family. People sing, dance, eat and have lots of fun during weddings. Clear? So student, please read this chapter once at your home. Now come to the page number 93. Fill in the blanks by choosing words from the clue box. Festivals are to celebrate. During festivals, we meet our relatives and friends. Special food is cooked during festivals. Festivals are a time for fun. India is known as the land of festivals. Question number B is match the following. 26th January Republic Day, 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, 25th December Christmas, Festival of Light Diwali, 15th August Independence Day. So question number A and B is your classwork. You have to do it in your EVS book and send to me. And your homework is question number C, that is write true or false. Read the statement and then write either it is true or false. If any doubt, then we will discuss in next class. Thank you. Have a good day.